and welcome to Afriost Answers. Today I'm going to show you how to create an app using Softaculous in CWP. Open your internet browser. Navigate to clientzone.afrihost.com and log in with your username and password. Click on the Hosting tab. Then select the domain you want to access on the right-hand side. Click on Website Manager and then select Login to Website Manager. Once in CWP, scroll down. Under Script Installers, select Softaculous. From the menu on the left-hand side, select Blogs. Under Blogs, select the app you wish to install. For the purposes of this video, we will install WordPress. Under Software Setup, complete the account details. Then scroll down and click Install. You have now successfully installed an app via Softaculous.
Hi, John, CEO of Afriost here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you found it useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. And if you want more how-tos and tutorials like this one, please visit answers.afriost.com.